A major change in the working patterns of remote employees was revealed in 2023. Back in 2019, 60% of remote-capable employees worked on-site 100% of the time. But by late 2023, 40% of US-based remote-capable employees had shifted from working entirely on-site to working remote all or part of the time. Whether you're an employer looking to adapt or an employee navigating this new normal, the concept of hybrid working is here to stay. So let's break it down and explore how hybrid workplaces are transforming the modern work environment. A hybrid workplace is the best of both worlds. It combines remote work with in-office days, giving employees the flexibility to work from wherever they're most productive. But it's not just about location. It's a shift in how we approach work. It's about creating a balance that benefits both the individual and the organization. Think of it this way. You're not tied to your desk 5 days a week, but you still have a physical space to connect with your team, brainstorm ideas, and collaborate face-to-face. It's a model designed to prioritize flexibility, productivity, and well-being. So, why are hybrid workplaces so popular? For starters, they address the growing demand for a work-life balance. Employees value their freedom to manage their time while staying connected to their teams. From an employer's perspective, hybrid work boosts productivity and reduces costs. There's less need for large office spaces, and employees are often happier and more engaged. Studies have shown that happier employees are more likely to stay with a company, reducing turnover and recruitment costs. And let's not forget technology. Advances in communication tools like video calls and cloud-based platforms make it easier than ever to collaborate no matter where you are. Of course, it's not all smooth sailing. Hybrid workplaces come with their own set of challenges. Communication can sometimes be tricky. When some team members are remote and others are in the office, it's easy for miscommunication to happen. Then there's the issue of inclusivity. Companies need to ensure that remote employees don't feel left out of important discussions or decisions. It's about creating a culture where everyone feels valued regardless of where they work. And finally, managing a hybrid team requires a new kind of leadership. It's about being flexible, empathetic, and tech-savvy. Leaders need to set clear expectations and find creative ways to foster team cohesion. So how do you make a hybrid workplace work? Here are some tips. First, communication is key. Use communication tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, or Zoom to keep everyone in the loop. Regular check-ins and clear communication can go a long way in avoiding misunderstandings. Second, set up a flexible schedule. Not everyone's productivity peaks at the same time. Allow your team to work during hours that suit them best, as long as deadlines are met. Third, invest in technology. Reliable internet, good hardware, and collaborative software are non-negotiables in a hybrid setup. And finally, don't forget the human element. Regular team building activities, whether virtual or in person, help maintain a sense of connection and camaraderie. Hybrid workplaces aren't just a trend, they're the future of work. By embracing flexibility, fostering communication, and investing in the right tools, companies can create environments where employees thrive. For organizations with a hybrid workforce, supporting employees to work remotely is critical. But equally important is capitalizing on the time they spend in the office. This is where leveraging in-office communication channels, such as digital signage, becomes a game changer. Digital signage allows organizations to reinforce key information whenever employees are on site. By supplementing emails and chat software with in-office messaging, companies can ensure that important news and announcements are seen and absorbed. Think about the impact of having directories, maps, event updates, weather forecasts, and real-time alerts displayed clearly in the shared spaces. These tools not only help employees navigate their physical environment, but also keep them informed and engaged. And it doesn't stop there. Digital signage can be used to create visually striking presentations, making in-office content more impactful and engaging. Imagine walking into an office where key updates are presented dynamically, capturing attention and making communication seamless. With digital signage platforms, businesses can take workplace communication to the next level. These platforms offer customizable content playlists, a wide range of apps and templates, and the ability to schedule, manage, and update content from anywhere at any time. This flexibility ensures that messages are delivered effectively and efficiently, regardless of where the team is located. Yodeck is the first and only intelligent digital signage platform purpose-built for impactful communication. It's designed to help businesses quickly and easily reach their most important audiences with their most important content. Whether it's a hybrid or geographically dispersed workforce, Yodeck ensures better communication and stronger connections across the organisation. From delivering key announcements to sharing relevant updates, Yodeck supports organisations in fostering engagement and productivity. It's a solution tailored for the demands of 2025 and beyond. Whether you're already part of a hybrid workplace or thinking about transitioning to one, remember this: it's not just about where you work, but how you work together. So let's build a future where everyone can succeed. Read more on our blog at yodeck.com/blog.